Hey guys, today I'm making chocolate banana bread in preparation for our first seri. In a bowl, combine your butter and sugar and beat on low till smooth and creamy. Add in your eggs and mix well. Add in your yogurt or buttermilk. And your banana. And mix well. Swap out your mixer for a spatula. Sift in your flour, cocoa, baking powder and baking soda, and push through any of the lumps that get left behind in the sieve. Use your spatula to fold everything in well. Divide this mixture between 2 loaf pans. You could absolutely do this in one. I just like to use 2 because my kids tend to eat smaller slices. Use a spoon to smooth it out slightly. Bake this at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Remove from the oven and allow to cool completely, then turn out onto your serving platter. Since this is going to be used for seri, it will just go in the fridge and we'll just microwave slices as and when it's required. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy!